Before you string the necklace, please prepare the following items. 1. 64 inches of pearls, about 4 of the 15 to 15.5 inch pearl strands. 2. Silk cord. And 3. A needle. Step 1. Measure about 140 inches of silk cord with a ruler or tape measurer. Then thread the needle so that there's a double strand that measures 70 inches. Step 2. Make a simple knot at the end of the cord after you've threaded the needle. Step 3. Thread all of the pearls onto the silk cord. This will make a simple strand. Then fasten the pearl strand on an immovable clip. Step 4. Make a knot about 5 inches away from the pearls, then cut the needle off the cord. Prepare another 70-inch silk cord, double strands, then put the needle on. Please tie the end of this cord to the knot that we just made 5 inches away from the pearls. Then string the first pearl and slide it down to this knot. Step 6. Make a knot next to the pearl, then repeat this with the next pearl. Step 7. Next, make 2 knots at the end of the last pearl. Make sure the knots are tight and will not loosen. Step 8. Then, cut the thread at the end of the knots. Step 9. Lastly, burn the end of the thread with a lighter to make sure the thread will not loosen. And now, your gorgeous pearl necklace is complete!